guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title, we are going to be setting up our October spread. And I kind of did a lot of things like pre-recording basically. And for September, I think we only reached one of our goals, which was to get $800 in revenue from YouTube. And we did that. I got exactly $805 last month. And yeah, I was gonna do like a budget with me or like a sinking, like a cash stuffing video, but it all went to bills, so there wasn't gonna be no point of doing that. But yeah, so that was one of our goals that we reached. And then I think that was everything. We are already like almost, I think, on the second week of October, I think. But yeah, so for October, the little spreadsheet is hashtag goals. And I love this one. I love the color, the polka dots, everything. Super cute. And then we get into like the holidays and everything else that are here. But yeah, I already pre-did some of this stuff. Like one of my kids already went to the eye doctor, and then that one. Oh, and then today I'll just, okay. So I already got like sticky notes written down of things that I'm gonna do. But before we even begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys haven't gone to check out my unboxing or setup with me of my Moterm A7 planner that I'm using it as a wallet, I will leave it in the cards and in the description. But this is how they look. And I am going to do a DIY a video on how I made my little dashboards if you guys are interested. So if you want to see like that video, stay tuned. You can use my fetch code if you want to get 2,000 points, which is basically $2 when you scan your first receipt. So far, I think I've gotten $50 already just using the Fetch Rewards app. The first thing we're going to go ahead and do, I already got some sticky notes here. And for like this one, like the holidays, I'm literally not... It's just Halloween, basically. It's Columbus Day today and then Halloween. And that's going to be everything for here. So I'm just going to put... And this part, I don't mind, like, not using stickers. So, and then for this side, I kind of messed up this side. I don't know why I didn't write the Halloween on the holiday side. So what I'm thinking of doing is, so I got these shipping labels and I'm thinking about cutting one of them down and just writing, like filling that space in. Okay, you can still kind of see it, but it's fine. Since I have a couple of important dates or things to remember, I'm gonna go into this little sticker book, and this is from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has a lot of cute little stickers. So I'm gonna use this, check it off, and then just kind of put it if it fits. So I'm just going to go ahead and write all of the important dates. That's it for my important dates. Appointments, they're all there. I don't have to worry about the appointments. Those are the only 2 appointments this month. And then here are the birthdays for this month. I already got that. Next, we're going to go into our goals for this month. Okay, so now we're like in the monthly spread, and we're gonna kind of decorate it a little bit since it's, you know, the month of Halloween. And I went ahead and pre-did some, like, pre-filled a printed calendar just so I can just transfer everything onto here so I don't have to go back to September's month and keep looking. So I'm just gonna keep that in front of me just so I could look. That's for our monthly spread. Now we are gonna go into our like weekly spread, and I am gonna kind of speed through this, but I enjoy some Halloweeny music, I guess, while I decorate the pages. He's in pre-K, and the Thursday before Halloween they're gonna do like character day where they dress up as someone from a book that they like. So I think I'm gonna just put this pumpkin like right in the middle. And then the only other, we have a couple of other birthdays. Evelyn's birthday is coming up, so we're gonna decorate her day also. And then that'll be it for this video. So just to make it cute. His birthday is on the 18th, which is technically next week, Monday. I'll give you guys like a quick little flip through, I guess. So this is the front of our October spread. It says hashtag goals. Love that. Here we go into our Halloween, our holidays. And for this month, it is Columbus Day, which is today, and Halloween. Right next to it, I just have important dates, things that I do not want to forget that are for my kids for school, certain things like that. Right here are appointments for my children. Right next to it is birthdays, and we have 3 birthdays this month. And then at the bottom is like my goals, or and I like this one. I just put the dreamer sticker on it. And my first goal is to reach 300k views. My second one is to reach 4,000 subscribers. My third one is to reach $500 in revenue for YouTube this month. Last month I did pretty good. Like I said, I got about $805 off of YouTube, so I was super proud of that. Hopefully we do at least reach past 500. And then the last thing for this month is to look for a part-time job. Then we go into our spread, and as you can tell, I could not find my other pen, and this one kind of goes through it. It kind of bugs me, but not really. Now I know not to use this one just on that. I could write these on like the little bill stickers or any other stickers that's there. And then my to-do for this month is to make sure I pay those fees for my kids' school. Just added some stickers, and that's it. Oh, and then this vaccine one here, just because I don't want to forget it. I've been holding the second one off until now. And then that's literally this one is technically from the end of September. And then this whole page is not filled out because it already passed. And then that's when we start on the 11th with it, which is today. And yeah, you can see I just kind of put some type of decorations on it. And I feel like I want to decorate some more pages, at least a couple of them, just to add some spooky vibes every week. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. But this is how my spread looks. This is Halloween right here. That's why it's all spooked up. And I'm gonna just put this right here in the middle, just to make it more spooky. And then yeah, guys, so that's the end of the spread. I do have, like, at the end of each month, there's like a notes section. I never use that. I'm not sure why. I don't know what to do with it. So it kind of just stays blank. But that's the end of today's Plan With Me video. And I know next video will be on the DIY dashboard of a planner. And I am using an A7 one, so that's how I'll explain it. But I do want to do other sizes, so you guys can, if you guys want to do one on your own. But yeah, so if you guys like this one, stay tuned for Friday's video, because that's where I'll show you how to make these in two forms, in the Canva and Microsoft Word. But yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.